less than an hour before hitting the road, and donations for Oklahoma survivors are still trickling in. What'd you guys bring?
Everything. Everything. There's 4 trucks full.
Extreme couponer Christine Nelson and her friends came down from Wisconsin Dells. They delivered $5,000 worth of items.
We have to take care of each other.
Super long receipts and bags of goods show the generosity of this Dells community, who say even though Oklahoma is far off, they can only imagine what they are going through.
Me and my son were actually watching it on the news when the Weather Channel, when the tornadoes hit, and we were in tears. Because we can't, I mean, our town is small, 14 miles, that would wipe out our whole school district, which is 5 schools. So it makes you think this could happen at home.
4 days in the making and a joint effort between the Boys and Girls Club and Metcalf's resulted in this. Countless helping hands and endless amounts of water, diapers, paper towels, and blankets.
Bucky loves Oklahoma.
All to help those in need more than 800 miles away.
Community is not just here in Madison, but I feel like as a nation, we are one community. So again, it went without thinking for me. I was honored to be able to go down and lend a hand in any way possible.
After a 13-hour drive, volunteers will help distribute these items to survivors along with many other tasks.
We're going to do whatever they need us to do. We'll be working in a warehouse. We'll also be working in that community to remove debris, and whatever they tell us to do, we're going to be there to serve.
Finally, the doors to the semi-truck close, and after a quick prayer,
God bless every individual that's in this circle, God. Strengthen us, encourage us, protect our families as we leave them here.
Off they went, making a 13-hour drive to just be there for people who need it most.